Yep. Right, all the way in. Very good. Okay, you are ready to fire. So what I want you to do is I want you to hold the gun under your arm, under here, or under your arm. Okay, this is just like a trigger. It's ready to fire. Then I want you to just
grip that barrel really
grip
tight.
it. So this is, and then yeah, you're just gonna just pretend that's your finger, and you're just pointing at that target. And there you go.
I can't. Should
That's
I
all
look
right.
down?
Let's just one more time this way. Okay, see? Good. Now, you're going to put it on your shoulder, and you can use this sight, but you want to lean into it a little bit. You want to lean your body in, and do not pull that off your shoulder. Because if you pull it off your shoulder and it kicks, it'll hurt. So keep it firm in here and lean into the gun. Nope. Lean your body into the gun. There you go. Okay.